Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to talk about another DeFi miner wherein you can be able to make up to 8% daily. Okay, this is called RubyMine.money. If you haven't heard of this, then for sure you heard it right now. And there's a lot of people that are inside our TikTok comment section that are requesting of what is this Ruby mine, okay? Is it good? Is it better than baked beans? And of course, I will be answering everything later on. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please do subscribe. This is Crypto Addict here, back again with new content every single day, and let's just jump right into it, okay? So, Ruby Mine is a platform wherein you can stake or you can mine, okay? You can hire miners so that you will be earning AVAX, okay? So you'll be getting rubies in here, and this is just very easy, okay? You just click the connect, okay? And of course, make sure that your MetaMask is available. And let's say we're going to put 0.98 AVAX. So let's hire the miners, okay? For the first time. Oops, the network fees are kind of like high, so I'm going to try 0.97 for a moment. Still not, it's also not available. I don't know why. Let's try. I think we can do 0.97, right? Because I have 0.99 AVAX right now. Okay. So there is a gas fee because you need to take note of that. So 0.96 is just good. So that's just the maximum amount. Anyway, okay. So when you buy AVAX in here, you'll be getting rubies, okay. And these rubies are going to be like the stepping point for you to be able to make more rubies. And if you have more rubies, you will be making much more bigger rewards. And that is 8%. So the key difference here from Ruby Mine than baked beans is that Ruby Mine, okay, has an 8% deposit fee, right? It's more like the developer fee, some sort of, okay, but it's just kind of like blended into it. And the reason why I like projects that has a higher deposit fee, it is because it's just promoting the environment of like projects lasting for like 10 years, 20 years. And this is what they're doing right now. And of course, more fees that are going to be deducted, that will just make sure that the project, the liquidity won't, will last for several years. I mean, they even have a white paper in here. And in baked beans is just 3%. And the problem there is that there's not much liquidity. But in here, there's big amount of liquidity wherein you every single people can be paid. Okay, that's the keyword, can be paid. And the other thing that I like here is that I just really love people who likes to make sure or wants to beat these projects that like originate this kind of like a trend or something. And the first thing that I've seen here is they do have an advertisement. So this is what I'm trying to say in every single project, guys. You have the volume, you have the people that are using inside the platform. Why don't you open an advertisement, for freaking sake? Right? Just why don't you open an ad earnings, like you put something or you put a designated space in your website, and then there's an ad showing there. Because if there is an ad, it means that there is what do you call that, the people, okay, the advertiser are interested inside this platform. That's why they are buying for advertisement, because they know that they will also make a revenue from those, because they're pretty much interested probably in the ad that they are trying to show. So the key point here is that advertisements inside the projects, okay, not just for DeFi but also in play to earn, okay, can actually help to fund the liquidity of the project because what they call that, ads are very kind of like expensive nowadays. So just having an ad every single day, it just helps. It just really helps. Aside from liquidity inside or like the deposit fee. So out of everyone that I've seen, okay, this is the only project that I saw an ad, and I just really appreciate it that much because um, after 400 videos, this is the first time I've seen someone who are taking my advice seriously. Okay, and of course, just let's just stop the chitty chat. Let's go into the white paper right now, and here in mining, okay, you'll be able to receive up to 8% of your initial investment every day. And of course, if you are referring other people, okay, to open their mine, they will also receive 12%. Okay, so the thing here is that you won't be able to mine, okay, if you do not use, I think, a referral link. However, I will be putting the link into the description box below so that you'll be able to start. So you can start for as low as 0.02 AVAX. How much is that? 0.02 AVAX to PHP, to USD rather. Okay, that's how much. Okay, that's how much. That's, I'm not sure if it's 0.02 AVAX, but or 0.05 AVAX. But you can start for as low as $5, $10. It depends on how much money that you currently have. So there's no discrimination as well here. Okay, which is I think you will appreciate because some projects nowadays are just very hard to jump in because of the what they call that, of the requirement of buying. Okay, so now, okay, let's go forward again in the white paper. Okay, so the strategy here is 6 to 1. Okay, what is 6 to 1? Okay, if you are not yet a member or you haven't tried this kind of projects, okay, 6 to 1 refers to you reinvest it 6 times and then you withdraw it 1 time. Okay, 6 to 1 strategy works because it prevents or it helps everyone to make a consistent amount of money, okay, while they are having more rewards inside the platform. And of course, this time, okay, if you're using 6 to 1, it doesn't matter that much if you are going to be late to join. Okay, it doesn't matter that much. That's the thing. That's the thing about 6 to 1. Before, when it is a time of like BNB miner, if I'm not mistaken, BNB miner is like 3% every day or 5%. But no people wants to reinvest, right? And what happened in there in that kind of like situation? It collapses. It collapses. And of course, this kind of projects like these, okay, people who always eat or always withdraw their money like every single day are the ones are not being able to get their money back. The reason why is that the rewards are getting lower every single day if you're not reinvesting. And I just want to be frank with you guys, and I think that's not even bad because if this project or this project is like preventing you or like making you forced to be able to reinvest it, and of course you'll be able to make more money in the long term, then why not? Why don't we adopt this kind of strategy as well, right? And like what I've said to you, okay, 8% fee, so 6% is to the owners, 2% is to the marketing wallet. So as being mentioned, okay, so 2% marketing wallet is, I would say it needed. It is needed, of course, because if they are much more famous, then there's more people that are going to get an ad from them. Okay, and this is the ad that like what I've mentioned, and marketing is always essential in any projects. So don't be don't feel food like fear, uncertainty, doubt if like you're saying that they are taking 2% for the marketing, because it is really needed, and everyone is doing this. Okay, and as being mentioned here, okay, So the strategy is 6 times per week you rehire and you take profit 1 time a week. Whether you can choose whether you're going to eat every Monday of the week, whether you're going to eat every Wednesday of the week. It is your freaking choice, okay? But just make sure that you rehire 6 times a week and you take profit 1 time per week, okay? So like being mentioned, okay, too often will exhaust your mind and decrease your return in the investment in the short and the long run. In 6 to 1 strategy, okay, it will increase your return of investment in long and short run. So make sure to do that, okay? Please be patient, and the ROI probably here is around 5 to 7 weeks, okay, or even 8 weeks, okay? So everything you will be finding inside this white paper, okay? And if you have any questions, they do have like a Discord group over here. So this is the Discord and also the Twitter and also the Telegram, which I will be putting into the description box below so that you can also join, okay? So if you have any questions, please feel free to go into these links down below. And of course, again, I hope you understand how this kind of works. So tomorrow I will be these rubies or this AVAX that I'm going to earn, I will be reinvesting it as well. So again, this is Crypto Addict here, guys, back again with new content every single day. Even though we have like a back pain right now, we're still going to review projects and of course answer some of your questions. Like, let's say, is Ruby mine good? And this is the video for you guys. So of course, guys, see you on the next video and thank you for watching.